Hey there, Jules here. Let me help you to resolve the issue you might have with the Remove Filters button. Here's the case. Once you apply the filters, the Remove Filters button displays before the content loads. Moreover, the appearance transition might look a bit sharp, and as you can see, the grid kind of jumps as well. In this case, all you need is a CSS code. Once you put it, the button would appear smoothly along as the content loads, and the grid wouldn't jump. If you wonder how to fix that, just follow along with me. You can add the CSS code with the help of the customizer. To get to it, open the WordPress dashboard, then the Appearance tab, then click Customize, and here scroll down to the Additional CSS section, and put the code into this field directly. That's pretty much it. Save the changes and enjoy the flawless result. Please see the CSS code in the description to this video and use it if you want to get the same results. Keep in mind that the transition duration could be changed to your tastes and needs right in the code. May the Crocoblock power be with you!